Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how I built this incredibly simple nightstand with this wall lamp I found on Amazon. Nightstands are incredibly popular on Etsy, and hopefully this build gives you some ideas to go out there and create some of your own. This whole project took me less than an hour to complete, and it looks great sitting up on the wall. I'll leave a link to the lamp in the description if you're interested. And as always, if you like this video, please subscribe for more interesting and exciting projects. See you on the next one.